Next up, Weta Digital's software arm is acquired by Unity, which could be huge for Apple gaming. Unreal and Unity have been the dominant game engines on Apple's platforms for a while. These are frameworks that make game development from the start much easier rather than coding everything from scratch. And of course, Epic's Unreal Engine is less likely to be playing nice with Apple going forward. Now the other team, Unity, has bought Weta Digital's software arm for $1.63 billion, which could be insane. Weta was founded by the Lord of the Rings director Peter Jackson as the creative house for VFX artists, working on projects as far back as 1994, with notable works including Contact, Lord of the Rings and the Hobbit trilogy, the X-Men franchise, Marvel's Avengers, Iron Man 3, the DCEU movies, and with some of their most recent work being The Suicide Squad, Eternals, and The Batman. So it's incredibly exciting to hear that much of this technology could be rolled into the next generation of the Unity engine, bringing even more immersive games to the Mac and iOS. This is a clip from one of our daily shows. If you want to see our full shows every weekday at 12 UTC, like the video and hit subscribe.